Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the recoil spring in your Lawn Mower's recoil starter. I'll start by pulling some of the rope out of the recoil starter. I'll tie a temporary knot in the center of the rope. Now I'll remove the starter grip. I'll pull the rope through the grip and untie the knot. Now I can remove the grip, and I'll untie the knot that I tied in the center of the rope. And now I'll carefully allow the rope to recoil all the way into the starter. Now I can begin disassembling the starter. I'll remove the screw in the center of the starter that secures all of its components. With the cover removed, I have access to the starter pawls. On my starter, beneath the pawls, there are some small springs. Now I can remove the pulley from the starter housing. I'll be careful as I do this to make sure that the spring comes free from the housing and doesn't uncoil. Now I can unwind the rope from the pulley and remove it. Now I have access to the recoil spring. I'll use a pair of pliers to remove it. I'll take extra care here as the spring is still under a considerable amount of tension. I'll pull the spring away from the pulley and then drop it on the floor, allowing it to uncoil.